Hi everyone. Welcome to Passcode Tuner, and today I will teach you how to remove iTunes backup encryption without a password. 3 ways are introduced here. Way 1: Factory reset iPhone to turn off backup encryption. Tap on Settings. Then select General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your screen password to confirm. Tap Reset all settings twice. OK, now all settings on your iPhone are erased. Way 2: Recover password to disable backup encryption in iTunes. You need to access cocosenor.com to get iTunes Passcode Tuner. Download and install it on the PC. Then run the software. Click on Open, select an iTunes backup, and click OK. Well, you need to customize the recovery mode and settings to speed up the recovery process. After that, click on the Start button. Alright, just let the software run until it pops out your iTunes backup password. Way 3: Remove the iTunes backup encryption with software. If you forgot the iTunes backup encryption and the iTunes Passcode Tuner fails to recover your password, how can you disable the iTunes backup encryption without a password? Passcode Your iPhone Passcode Tuner can help you. Head to Passcode's official website. Download and install the iPhone Passcode Tuner on your computer. Well, run the software and choose the Remove iTunes Backup Encryption option. See, your iPhone is recognized here. Hit Start and the process begins. Congratulations, the iTunes backup encryption is removed successfully. You can finish the iPhone setup to have a check. See, the Encrypt Local Backup option is unchecked now. That's all. Thanks for watching.